Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find more designs and liveries for your car in Forza Horizon 6. It's pretty easy. All you need to do, just go to your garage, select the option cars, and here we need to select this one, designs and paints. Right here select this option, find new designs, and you'll able to see all the available liveries or designs for your car. So whichever you like, you can simply choose that. Even you can just toggle between all the available tabs like this. You have all-time grades, you can go for new, trending, and so on. Let's say if you want to go for a specific one, you can use the search option at the bottom of the screen, and right here you'll able to basically filter it out by using keyword 1, keyword 2. You can also go for specific creator, so it is up to you. Once you choose everything here, simply go for search and you'll able to see all the available options. And these liveries are for other cars, but you can still use this on your current car. Delivery might not look good, but you can still use the paint or designs. So yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you'll able to find more designs or liveries for your car in Forza Horizon 6. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.